Hey there. So today we are going to learn about camera module. So as we have seen the camera many times, right? But have you ever thought like what is inside the camera and how actually the photos and the pictures and the videos are captured? So that is what we are going to break down today and the components of this camera module. So this module is actually a project camera and it is slightly different from what we have in our mobile phones. The difference is just the clarity and the imaging. That's it. Nothing else is the difference from what we use. So this here is a camera module which is named as in technical terms it is UC3234. So front side, what we see here is a big round part is the actual camera lens. This is the most visible part of the camera, and the other parts are hidden inside this black round big part here. So what it does is it will focus on light onto the sensor, and it will work like our eye lens. More focus will be equal to more clear image. So inside behind this lens there is the image sensor, so which will be hidden behind this lens in the sensor. That image sensor will convert light into the digital data. So when the light is converted into the digital data, then the image is formed. So this is where the image is actually captured in the image sensor. So without image sensor, no image at all. So image sensor is most important part of this. So between the image sensor and the lens, there is IR filter. So filter will block unwanted infrared lights, and it will help that color should be in the natural form. Without IR filter, the color will be not natural. It will be in high constant or in very low saturation. So that is why the IR filter is important in the camera module. So sometimes we have LED placed near the camera, like our mobile phone flash. So when the LED is on, the camera can take the images in the dark places. So we have learnt about this camera lens and sensors. So how exactly it is worked, how is all the data is converted? So for that we need to turn this module back. So when we turn back, here we have all the controllers and the pins. So what this controllers will be doing is, here we can see that U3 named, there is a black color chip. So this is the brain of this module. So this might look very small, but it will work very seamlessly, and it is the important part of this camera module. So this is the brain of this camera module, and this will the process image data. Like it will convert it into usable format, like USB data or something like that. So when you capture that image, it needs to be transferred, right? So it will convert that image into data. So here we have some pins which is used to send the image from this camera module which is captured to the microcontrollers, like Arduino or Raspberry Pi or ESP Wi-Fi or ESP camera board. So this camera module is actually suitable for ESP32 because it will send the data wirelessly too. So here, through these pins, the camera module will send the image or video data to the controller, and the same pins will provide the power for the camera module to work smoothly. And then we have three chips here, like U1, U2, and U3. So all these has same task to process the video and photos and send it to the microcontroller. And we have too many resistors and capacitors here. So what it does is it will control the electric flow like capacitors will smoothen the voltage, and resistors will control the current. And here Rn1 and Rn2 are actually voltage regulators. So camera module is very sensitive compared to other sensors. So we need voltage regulators here, which will control power supply and protect sensitive components like lens and image sensor and ICs, etc. And altogether, this blackboard here is a PCB board. It connects all the parts and routes the signals properly. Like as we can see that the signals route are properly, and it is placed very precisely. So this is how the camera module will be working. So how it works in a very simple way. So light enters in the lens, the reflected light. The sensor captures the image, and processors in the backside will convert that image into data, and data is sent to the device like computer, Arduino, Raspberry Pi, or ESP, or whatever the microcontroller we are using. So where exactly is this camera module used? So this camera module is used in CCTV cameras and face detection modules and robotic visions and video streaming. So and we can use it in more places wherever we feel like we need a camera module there. So in a quick summary, we can say that front side will be lens and sensors to capture the image, and in the back side there are chips and circuits to process the image and send that to the computer in the data form. So in a easy way, we can understand that light enters the lens, and lens will capture that and send it to the sensor, and sensor will send that same image to the processor, and processor will be sending that image to the output devices. So this is how the camera module will be working. So in this video we learned about camera module, which we were seeing till now, but we didn't understand, but now we know that. So that's it for now. See you in the next video, Robot Builders.